Hey guys, welcome to the Cricket Panda IPL previews. After CSK's stellar win last night, we move to the eliminators of this season where RCB take on KKR. Head to head they have been pretty even, but RCB won 4 out of the last 5 games except for the last one. Although KKR has a better win percentage in playoffs. Playing 11 should be same for both teams except for a couple of anticipated changes. Chameera can come in for Garton and Shakib might continue if Russell isn't fully fit. Sharjah has been the lowest scoring venue with a batting run rate of just 6.9 and even 145-150 can be defended. Both teams have won 40% of their games here since 2020, while KKR won both their games this season. Relatively lesser teams have been successful at chasing here than the other two venues. Phase-wise, RCB is at their best in death overs in both the departments, while KKR is better at taking advantage of the middle overs. These 4 sessions will define the trajectory of the match. Let's look into the matchups. Virat Kohli has been average in playoffs, has more than decent record against the likes of Ferguson and Narayan, but the pitch acquaintance is a solid factor and an average of 39 is all the green signal we need to have him aboard. ABD has struggled at Sharjah this season, and looking at his numbers against Orthodox, there is a potential threat from Shakib. Other than that, he's a good fit in the context of the match. Karthik is an easy elimination courtesy his numbers against RCB, Chahal and in the playoffs. Bharat is good to be included in the wicketkeepers category. Padikkal has struggled against express pacers but has demolished leg spinners. An average of 55 at this venue is too much to be ignored and should be in the fantasy 11. Historically, Maxwell has really poor numbers in the playoffs, especially against KKR. But he's in the same old Maxwell this season. He's the highest contributor for challengers even while batting in the middle overs. Had it been a batting pitch, he was a definite captain material. Tripathi has been the Raidu of KKR. Comes in at the break of middle overs, gets quick runs and changes the momentum. Been striking well this season, but his record at Sharjah and in playoffs is a bit of a worry. Since pitch factor holds prominent weightage, I wouldn't risk having him in the fantasy 11. Rana has played well at Sharjah, but Harshal has gotten him twice inside 12 deliveries. If Russell plays, he can be supremely destructive like his last few outings against the men in red. Pattern-wise, definitely have Padikkal Bharat in the 11 if RCB chase, while you can amplify De Villiers if Bangalore bats first. Form-wise, Ferguson, Mavi, Harshal and Chahal have been really consistent with wickets, while Siraj, Christian, Maxwell and Narayan could do better. In the last 5 batting innings, Maxwell has 10 times the runs of Morgan. Bharat, Gill and Iyer have been fairly consistent too. 4 big names, Morgan, Karthik, De Villiers and Russell, they don't even have 100 runs in the last 5 outings. Virat Kohli has most runs in the head-to-heads, while McCullum and Russell have left a lasting impact. Chahal and Vinay both have 17 wickets. This time, instead of bringing you 2 lineups, we have the Cricket Panda team which will be built in compliance with the data and patterns discussed, while the second team is an intuitive team built by the RCB fan on Twitter, Sanjay. End of the match, we shall compare and see who did well in this section of stats versus fan. Basically, it will all come down to these 4 highlighted players who are different in our lineups. That is all from us today. Thank you for joining us in the preview. Please like and subscribe if you found it informative. You can also follow us on our other social media platforms, including the website where you can dig extensive stats on IPL. See you in the next one.